Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at CrowdStrike, and let's identify is that next big move setting up that I have put on the thumbnail of this video. Now, if you have been following my videos, especially on CrowdStrike, and if you haven't been, check out my channel Junior Trader. Just go to the playlist section and there you can just put in CrowdStrike or find a CrowdStrike playlist. You will see all the stocks in sequence. And I have been talking about that how this is a overreaction to the CrowdStrike debacle that we experienced. That there's a software bug brought down all the industry system and everything, and it sold off. And I have been talking since then. It's an overreaction, and this is where I started buying as well. I talked about all these areas. I gave you these levels as well. We precisely got to those levels and rebounded as well. Now, as I have also said that for the position that I built down here, I'll take out 50% out here, closer to this blue box where previous resistance and pivots are. And that's where also you can see this slowdown happen. And this is also what I talked about in the last weekend video, that you can expect some slowdown happening on CrowdStrike. Just check out the videos. I know it's somewhere here. Here you go, CrowdStrike slowdown coming for the last week. And then all this, CrowdStrike that I have been doing one video, like close to the target, what's next, right? And all these things, you will see one video of CrowdStrike every weekend that I have been doing and giving you all these plays, right? So we had a little bit of a slowdown last week, but that was it. And then we got a earnings, and earnings, helped. I don't want to say helped CrowdStrike in a way, but all in all, price action, as I said, was an overreaction to the downside. And then we got those good buying places. I still hold 50% of my position, which I'm just going to keep holding for the long term. I might sell a little bit more if things really start to break. But right now, price action is in the bullish structure full on. So let's get to that. So as you can see, my indicator has also still been giving that it's in just a bullish structure. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below of this video. The next big move is definitely, guys, out and above of this blue box, okay? And now the level is 273.14 cents. As long as we keep holding this level for this coming week as well, there is no problem on the CrowdStrike. If we lose this, structure will not fully become bearish. I still think CrowdStrike will continue for days coming ahead upside, and 20 days moving average, even if it breaks 273, eventually it's going to get bought back up in my opinion. But more likelihood is that we might just continue higher. Again, just my opinion, have a stop loss on the other side. But we are still in the higher highs, higher lows, and this is now a support. As long as we don't break below 208.73 cents, I don't see a problem on CrowdStrike right now. And then 200 days moving average right now, at least for near term, may give it an overhead resistance, but until then there's a possibility that we can continue higher. Once we get above $290 range, this area, that's when we really open up and flare up, especially above 50 and 200 days moving average. That's when things again gonna flare up really good on CrowdStrike. All right, so let's also go to the hourly interval and let's identify a couple of more things. So yep, pretty much that's the level, very important, 273. Let me actually also mark it with the line here precisely. And then yeah, it's still intraday, can continue higher. Yes, I'm seeing some slowdown here, that's fine, but it's not breaking the structure to the downside. The strong demand candle is still giving it a push and a pump, and all the retests have been getting bought back up. That's the level, 273.18 cents. Above this will just remain bullish. All right, so yes, still strength is there, can continue higher level by level, have a stop loss on the other side based on your risk tolerance regardless. But CrowdStrike is setting up for a next potential leg up, and so yeah, so just keep that in mind. But you have the levels to watch, the areas of potential, a little bit of slowdown again, and then after that we're just going to flare up. That most likely, as I said, 290 and above 200 days and 50 days moving average, we're going to flare up openly again, much more to the upside. So that's that. All right, guys, that's it for this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and with that, I'll see you in my next videos, guys. Take care. Bye.